Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock a table in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now, I have already opened my presentation. Then, I am unlock a table. Now firstly drag and select the table, and you can see here are many options. Now here are unlock option. Now click the unlock. Now this table are unlocked and move anywhere. Now again lock the table. Firstly drag and select the table and click lock, and this table are locked. Don't move anywhere. Now select that table and click unlock. This table are unlocked. Move easily. Now you can see unlock a table in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.